Judge this morning turned down a request by prosecutors to raise bail on a TriMet passenger.
He's accused of harassment and sexual abuse while riding the MAX train. Cora Harlan is here now with more on the case of 32-year-old Jared Walter, who has a troubling history on TriMet. Cora?
And Ken and Jenny, if you don't remember that name, Jared Walter, you might remember him by criminal history that he's been involved with. Court documents say that Walter has engaged in sexually inappropriate behaviors towards other TriMet passengers, cutting and super gluing their hair and touching them inappropriately, among other things. Walter was in court this morning accused of 2 more counts of harassment and 1 count of third-degree sexual abuse after authorities claim earlier this week that he caressed a woman's inner thigh during a transit ride. He was arrested on the spot. His bail amount was the issue this morning. Prosecutors wanted to increase his bail amount from $9,000 to $100,000. A judge denied that request. Typically, if you can raise 10% of the bail amount, you can get out of jail. And he was still in custody this morning. A victim in this case is said to be recovering. And meanwhile, I also talked with TriMet this morning. They have put a 90-day exclusion on Walter. That means he cannot ride TriMet for at least 90 days. And TriMet is still investigating, Jenny and Ken, the matter to determine if they are legally able to extend that inclusion to more time or even make his exclusion permanent. And as I say, TriMet is still investigating whether they can do that by the letter of the law. Jenny and Ken?